Hi, hello, welcome back. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas in a couple of days. I know that you guys have been doing your holiday parties this entire month, and I'm sure there are more holiday parties to come, and I'm sure there are more Christmas parties to come because Christmas is right around the corner. And so, yeah, I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to see you guys again. So tonight I'm actually going to make something really, really simple. I've been at quite a few parties this month myself, and I just noticed that everybody loves the buffalo chicken dip. Everybody wants to do buffalo chicken dip all the time, but especially during this time, it's one of the more popular appetizers right now. It's nice and warm. It's really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that for you guys. Super quick, super easy, beginner style, like we talked about before, as all of my videos normally are. Yeah, so let's enjoy it. Let's be festive, and I hope you guys like this one. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn the oven on to 400 degrees. You can cook your buffalo chicken dip a couple of different ways. You can do it in the crock pot, you can do it on the cast iron skillet. Just do this in the oven, place it on 400 degrees. I'm gonna pop it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, let's get started. All right, so we are going to turn our oven to 400 degrees. Okay. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm back. So right now I went ahead in the meantime and cut up all of the ingredients. So I'm going to show that to you one by one right now. We've got 2 cups here of medium cheddar cheese. I've got, this is actually mostly buffalo sauce, but I've added quite a few drops of Louisiana hot sauce just because that's my favorite hot sauce, and it's a dash of charm, duh. So we've got a half a cup of Frank's buffalo sauce and then some Louisiana hot sauce, okay? So then we've got 2 cups of chicken right over here, and here's a half a cup of ranch, okay? And then we're gonna do about 8 ounces of the cream cheese. And then I've got about a 1/3 cup of my green onions right over here. And we're gonna go ahead and garnish that and use that last. Okay, so for right now, we're gonna take our mixing bowl. We're gonna go ahead, place all of our ingredients in there. So that's what we're gonna do first, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take our mixing bowl here. You know, it's kind of messy over here because I've just cut everything up. Go ahead and take your medium cheddar cheese, 2 cups of chicken, throw that in there as well, 8 ounces of cream cheese, just dump all of that in there, half a cup of ranch, buffalo sauce, and your Louisiana hot sauce. Go ahead and pour that in there. This is the mixing spatula. Go ahead and mix this mixture up as best you can. Okay guys, so as you can see, our mixture is pretty much about done. I'm gonna go ahead, transfer this into the pan. We're gonna go ahead and transfer the pan to the oven, okay? So go ahead, keep watching. Okay. Go ahead, get that down in there. Voila. Let's transfer to the oven. Go ahead, open up our oven, place this in. If you guys have any questions about this, please don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. I'm a little rusty. I haven't done a video in a long time. It's been a long time. It's like a month. if I don't do videos back to back to back, I get a little bit rusty. So I'm trying my best to keep up. And I've missed you guys. Please, please like this video. Comment if you didn't like it. Let me know. Message me. Tell me why. Don't forget to reach out to me on my Instagram, Facebook, and my website, www.dashacharm.com. The Instagram is _of_charm, and my Facebook is _of_charm3. And yeah, I've got all of those up and running right now, guys. Please let me know if you like this. If you think I should have done something differently, let me know. The special ingredient that I used today was the Louisiana hot sauce. And the reason that I did that was because that's my favorite hot sauce in general. So why the hell not? That's the best hot sauce anyways. So Merry Christmas, guys. It's Christmas in a couple of days. I hope Santa brings you everything that you want. And yeah, hopefully by this time next year, you guys will be able to get some Dash of Charm products under the your Christmas tree from Santa. So hopefully we'll get that going really soon. And I really want to thank you for watching. Don't forget that at the end of this video, we put the buffalo dip in there for about 18 minutes. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and garnish it with some green onions. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.